Welcome to Bhavna's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make keto fried rice. Keto diet has been buzzing all over, so I thought let me try. I am late to keto diet, but it is better late than never. So let's begin making keto friendly fried rice. Keto diet means no rice allowed. So cauliflower rice is the perfect alternative. For high protein, what could be better than tofu? Keto diet is all about low carb, moderate protein, and high fat and fiber. Press tofu for at least 30 minutes to remove all the moisture. Dice colorful peppers. To make cauliflower rice, take half of the cauliflower head, mushroom, and white part of spring onion into the blender processor cup. So here I have low carb brown rice ready. Next, I'm going to process broccoli and celery. Now today I decided to use tofu in a fried rice as well. Usually people prepare scrambled tofu for breakfast, and so I thought why not make it one pot by using crumbled tofu in this fried rice recipe. So then you don't have to prepare the tofu separately. But by all means, if you don't like tofu in your cauliflower fried rice, then you can brown tofu as a side. So there are several options and alternatives and ideas to jazz up recipes your way. Crumble the pressed tofu. When I think of any diet, the first thing I do is make a list of ingredients that I can use for that particular diet. So now here I have all the ingredients ready to prepare keto diet fried rice. Now the cauliflower rice has been around for so long, you can see almost so many recipes. But I thought it needs some twist, and I thought I'm going to make it one pot fried rice. So when I say one pot for keto, it has to have some protein, fiber. I mean, there's not much fat here, but you can just go ahead and use something that you can get the fat from. And of course, low in carb. So what could be better than cauliflower rice? Then you can add some vegetables like broccoli, green beans, green peas, or other vegetables that are low in carb. Today I thought of also using some mushrooms, celery. So you can just use about anything that you have in your fridge that is keto friendly. Heat up a pan on a medium to high heat with a tablespoon of oil. Add crumbled tofu and cook till the remaining moisture is evaporated. Ginger, garlic as per your taste. Fry ginger garlic for a minute or so and add cauliflower rice. Cook for about 2 minutes. Ready to add colorful peppers, green peas, salt to taste, pepper to taste, soy sauce, chili sauce. Stir together all the ingredients very well and cook for 2-3 minutes. Add crumbled broccoli and celery. Cook everything for a minute or so, and the cauliflower fried rice is ready to serve. I prefer to serve hot. Garnish cauliflower fried rice with spring onion or scallion, also known as. Doesn't it look so close to fried rice? The color, texture, and almost everything looks so close to fried rice. Alright, so here I have my fried rice ready. When I made this recipe for the first time, I was like, oh my god, that is so close to the fried rice that I used to prepare using rice. You can mimic this fried rice recipe with the quinoa as well. You can use white quinoa and prepare the quinoa fried rice. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. And you can also visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. Bhavna's Kitchen is everywhere. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest and more. Thanks for watching and see you soon.